Hello, friends. It's Carissa here, and I wanted to share with you my recipe for my secret weapon, my magical marshmallow and hibiscus herbal infusion. This is what I use to keep my vocal cords hydrated and my entire body's mucosal barriers healthy and free. It also really brings down inflammation and it helps if you've had any vocal problems or if you have the flu and you need electrolytes. So this tea will help you. You'll need dried hibiscus flowers. I like Star West Botanicals, but there are several other organic companies out there that are good. Get the hibiscus flower. You don't really need the leaves. You'll also need marshmallow root, cut and sifted. I do like Frontier Co-op, but you can also get marshmallow root from Star West Botanicals. Mountain Rose Herbs is another good provider. Just find one that is organic and that's dried, cut, and sifted. In addition to these two herbs, you'll need an electrolyte replacer of your choice, homemade or prepackaged. You will also need a mason jar or some kind of glass jar, either 16 or 32 ounces, and a fine mesh strainer or strainer bag. And this is what you do. You will take a large pinch of the marshmallow root. It doesn't have to be exact, somewhere around 2 to 3 tablespoons, about that much. Put it in your mason jar and then take your hibiscus flowers. You will need far less. Hibiscus is very astringent, and if you use too much, it will make your mouth feel dry, which kind of defeats the purpose. It'll negate the effect of the marshmallow, and it's not what you want. So just put a little bit in, right around a half to 1 teaspoon is an ideal amount. Here we go. And your body is going to tell you how to adjust this recipe. Just listen. If something feels off, just adjust it a bit. Now fill this up with filtered water or spring water and make sure it's good, clean water and set it in your fridge for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. You want to do cold infusion with marshmallow because if you try to make it into a hot tea, it breaks up that mucilage and negates the whole purpose of using the herb. So cold infusion, set it in your fridge overnight, and time passes and it's overnight. Here we have the infusion. This is what it looks like the next day. Beautiful rosy pink color. And if you swirl it, I added a lot of water to this jar. It's a 32-ounce mason jar, but if you use the 16-ounce size, you'll notice the liquid is quite viscous. It's kind of slippery in nature. The 32 ounce is a little bit lighter, so if you don't like the texture, you might want to just dilute it. So what we will do now, we're going to strain the infusion into a drinking vessel or a water bottle. So we use our fine mesh strainer or bag, and I would take about half of it right now and then take the other half of the infusion sometime later on in the day. Drinking the medicine all at once maybe isn't the best way to deliver it to the body. Just give it time to soak in the first time and then drink a little bit later. So we're going to strain this infusion. Dun, da, da, da. Here we see the beautiful color from the hibiscus flower and the slight viscosity of this diluted blend. See, look at that. Just like wine that has great legs. That's the mucilage from the marshmallow root that's really going to help your voice. So now what we'll do is add the electrolytes, whether you're homemade or the pre-prepared like Liquid IV. And since that's going to taste pretty strong, you're going to want to top this off with water. And sometimes I like to take this whole infusion and put it into the precious, my 1 gallon gig water bottle. It holds a lot of water. It'll last me for a whole gig, even if it's a whole afternoon. Get all the hydration I need. I just put my infusion in, top it all off with water, and then I have my electrolytes and my cooling, moistening herbs, and I can sip it slowly throughout the gig for the best effect. Now, this is not only wonderful for your voice, but it's great for your digestive tract, your respiratory tract. It's hydrating, it's soothing, it takes away irritation and inflammation. Really, really healing, wonderful beverage for your health in general, as well as your voice. So that's how to make the magical marshmallow and hibiscus tea. Enjoy.